Want to scan your computer for malware in an easy, free and secure way? F-Secure Online Scanner is a completely free tool that scans your PC for viruses and other malware and removes them automatically. It's brought to you by F-Secure, a veteran cybersecurity company with over 3 decades of experience in protecting millions of users around the world. To use it, just follow these simple instructions. Download Online Scanner by clicking the link at the end of the video or in the description. Double-click on the file you downloaded to start the scanner. Sit back and let the scanner find and remove any threats on your computer. F-Secure Online Scanner leaves no traces of itself on your computer and is the quickest, easiest and best way to make sure your device is clean of infections.